After impressing with the new line of Vivobook S15 laptops started at Rs40,000, the Taiwanese company Asus pulled another rabbit from the bag in the form of Vivobook X510UA. Available at Amazon and retail stores, it has a fairly affordable price of Rs34,999, and still offers the same style and similar features we saw on the Vivobook S15. Here are our observations about the new Asus Vivobook 15 X510UA. The Vivobook 15 X510UA looks a lot like the more expensive S15. It has a full metal chassis carved into a single block of metal and looks so thin at 19.4 mm, with the lid down. There are no rough edges in this. The thick fabric finish on the lid gives it a distinct personality and also improves grip on the laptop. At this price, this type of construction quality is extremely rare. What separates the new notebooks from their similarly priced rivals is the new slim bezel 7.8 mm design, which is unheard of outside of the more expensive mid-range and high-end laptops. It gives the screen a more immersive and edge-to-edge feel, but more importantly it results in a smaller footprint. Unlike most large-screen laptops, the Vivobook 15 X510UA weighs only 1.7 kg and is much more compact than a typical 15.6-inch screen laptop. This makes it ideal for users who like to travel light. The 15.6-inch screen has a resolution of 1920 x 1080p, which is also rare at this price point. Most large-screen laptops that sell around Rs35,000 offer a maximum resolution of 1366 x 768p. It is not a very bright screen, but videos and web pages look sharp. The big screen makes it ideal for entertainment, studies and work tasks. Asus has also added a non-reflective coating on the screen to protect against glare with bright light.